हेलो आर्य, कैसी हो?
ये सो आर्य, इस बार फैब्रुवरी स्टार्ट हो चुका है। जैसे आपको पता है हमारे इवेंट होते हैं ECL के बहुत सारे। इस बार क्या डिफरेंट है, अलग, आप बता सकते हो कुछ?
Yeah, so I was thinking the same, that we have the ECL club, which is entrepreneurship cell. So why not to focus on the real world problem, real world business problems. So what I was thinking, like a event where the students solve the cases on spot and find out the practical solutions.
Oh great.
So that's how Quest to Case came into the picture, where the student will solve the real life business problems, create AI based posters and explain their thinking live. Good morning everyone. So हमारे यूनिट का नाम है Quest to Case, the ultimate dish challenges. अब business problem one fast solution, explain it your way. इसमें 3 टर्म्स होंगे। इससे पहले राउंड में आपको बताया था प्रॉब्लम आइडेंटिफिकेशन, अंडरस्टैंडिंग सॉल्यूशन। आपको प्रॉब्लम आइडेंटिफाई करना, उससे सॉल्यूशन निकालना। सेकंड राउंड में, जिसका फर्स्ट राउंड में आपको जो आपके फोन यहाँ पे सबमिट कर दी जाएगी और आपको खुद ही प्रॉब्लम आइडेंटिफाई।
मेरे को एक प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी इसके अंदर। ये था कि आफ्टर 11 PM काफ़ी सारे फूड ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल नहीं होते। एंड एज ऑफ माई सेल्फ मेरी भी प्रॉब्लम होती है। मैं रात को डिनर खाता हूँ, फिर उसके बाद मम्मी से बोलता हूँ मम्मी कुछ मीठा है खाने को। मैं मतलब चिल्लाता रहता हूँ, कुछ मीठा दो। और उस समय मैं लेडी डिनर करता हूँ तो कुछ फूड ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल नहीं होते रात को। तो मैंने प्रॉब्लम सोची एंड आई मेड दिस ऐप कॉल्ड Crave 24.
So my question is, what was your problem statement and how did you came up with the solution?
So my problem statement was that many people face lack of food options after 11 PM, and so I launched a website with an app called Crave 24. So in that app, I have made possible that food delivery can be done on 24/7, and especially fast delivery on early morning and late midnight. Okay, so the problem was that even if there are apps like Blinkit or maybe Zepto, they don't have many food options. All they serve is some snacks and all. So in our app Crave 24, we have made possible that we are going to provide you with full course meal and healthy snacks as well. So it's good for health conscious customers as well.
That according to you, what was the most interesting part of this event?
यस मेरे लिए सबसे मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट ये था कि हमें ऑन द स्पॉट बिजनेस आइडिया सोचना था, जिससे मेरे को बहुत हेल्प मिली कि हम वर्क अंडर प्रेशर काम कर सके। मेरी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स इम्प्रूव हुई और हमें इसमें AI पावर्ड पोस्टर्स भी बनाने थे, जिससे मुझे बहुत चैलेंजिंग लगा, जिससे हम टेक्निकली भी सोच सके और मेरे लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल था।
How would you describe this event in terms of student engagement and learning? Actually, this event challenges students your classroom learning and pull them to act, decide, and work like a real business leaders. Moreover, top of the participants done from this event, the organizers also done, because they are the real persons who organize, manage, and design that event. How were events like Quest to Case to prepare students for the real-world boardroom pressures? When we talk about boardroom, it means it has lot of pressure. So by this event, our students learn how to deal with the pressure. They are given certain case studies in which they have to solve them, in which time is a constraint.
Overall, Quest to Case was turned out to be a very fruitful event. It encouraged real thinking, creativity, and practical learning. So at the last, thanks to everyone, to our esteemed coordinators and the participants who have participated. Thank you.